What's good, guys? Welcome back to Ron's Rise News. Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another video where we get a limited run Shelby Super Snake Speedster. Now, Shelby American is celebrating what would have been the 98th birthday of Carroll Shelby with the release of this limited run Shelby Super Snake Speedster. And as the name applies, the car is a speedster version of the regular Shelby Super Snake and is therefore outfitted with the same 5-liter supercharged V8 delivering 825 horsepower. Now, customers can opt out with either the 6-speed manual transmission or an automatic, both of which send power exclusively to the rear wheels. Now, Shelby American has made the Super Snake Speedster a reality by developing a tonneau cover that sits behind the seats. Now, the car also features a unique stripping as well as distinctive floor mats and new door sill plates. Customers can also option a wide body package, Penske track suspension, or a rear seat delete with a harness bar. Now, like the hardtop Shelby Super Snake, the Super Speedster features a 6-piston front and 4-piston rear brake calipers. And production of the Shelby Super Snake Speedster will be limited to just 98 examples for the 98th birthday of Carroll Shelby. Now, Shelby American has also made a number of updates to the Shelby GT, Shelby GT 500 SE, and the Shelby Super Snake hardtop models to celebrate Carroll Shelby's 98th birthday. For example, the new Signature Edition package for the 2021 GT500 boasts a power of 800 horsepower and includes a carbon fiber hood with functional air vents, various suspension modifications, and some styling changes. But with that said, what do you think about this one of 98 Shelby Super Snake Speedster? Let me know down in the comments below, and if you guys did enjoy the video, make sure you give it a big thumbs up. Giving it a thumbs up will help get it up in the rankings. More people can see it, and we can talk about this convertible one of 98 Shelby Super Snake. Now, with that said, if you guys want to help further support the channel, always check the links down below where I have a one-time link donation for my PayPal, Cash App, and Venmo, just in case you guys want to donate $1 or $2 to the channel. You can also help support by checking out the Ron's Rise merch, get some t-shirts, stickers, hoodies, everything Ron's Rise. I also have a Patreon where you can be a monthly subscriber, or check me out on TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, see everything I'm posting, car memes, pictures, and videos that doesn't always make it here to the channel. Also, make sure you guys subscribe, but click that notification bell so you don't miss one news video. With that said, you guys be blessed, have a great day, and we will talk to you guys in the next Ron's Rise news video. Peace.